Larry from Duo3, here to introduce a tip for copying and pasting or editing formulas within filtered lists. This is for those of you who do not wish to sort your lists and you wish to avoid using VBAs. Alright, as you all may be familiar, for filtered lists, Ctrl+Shift+L to filter Team A. If we were to copy from one column into the other, Excel would paste over continuous rows irregardless of whether they are visible or not, which is not usually what we intend to do. Right, Ctrl+Z to undo. So how do we work around this? Say for example, in our scenario over here, we would like to add expenses to our column F over here based on 10% of the sales performance of column E, only for those salespersons in Team A. Alright, so firstly, we would have to select our expenses in February 2015, as you want to maintain the original formula that's already in there. Alternate colon to select visible, Ctrl H to replace. What do we replace? Equal sign with ZZZ equals alternate A to replace all, and enter. So we can see there's only two replacements. These two are originally values, so they weren't replaced. So we have to change these two absolute values into a text string similar to our ZZZ equal sign for the first and the last entries. So for our first helper column, we would select all visible cells and Alt semicolon or colon to select visible, and equal sign to start our if function. If the left of our original, gotta open brackets, our column F for the first four characters, close brackets, is equals to ZZZ equal sign, means it used to be a formula, then just give me column F. But if it's absolute value, then give me ZZZ equal sign n% column F. Close out our formula and Control Enter to enter the formula into all our selected cells. Alright, so we have our first helper column done. Our second helper column is where we want to put in the 10% of our sales for February 2015. Right, so first select all of them, Alt semicolon to select visible, and start off the equal sign. Our sales for February 2015 times 10%, and Control Enter. Okay, so for this particular selection, you will have to change, find and replace our equal sign with ZZZ minus. The ending operator can be based on whatever the user's need is. For our scenario over here, it's an expense because it's a bonus that the company has to pay out to these salespeople. So it's a minus sign. Alt A to replace all. Okay. And we have our second helper column done. For our third helper column is where we concatenate our first helper column and our ampersand second helper column. Enter. So we have a whole text string combining the first and the second one. Alright, so we want to apply this throughout all our visible cells. Alt semicolon, go back into our cell I2, Control Enter, and it's applied there. Alright, so let's save a custom view for this. so we can easily get back to this filtered list. Alt WC for custom views. Alright, I previously created this, delete it. Alright, so we add over here a new custom view called only Team A. Alright, make sure this hidden rows, columns and filter settings are checked and click OK. So over here we can turn off our auto filter, Ctrl Shift L, and we realize that all our third helper column, not all of them are having our text string. So the first and the last entry is from I2 to I8. So we would select this, I2 colon I8. In our address bar, click enter and Ctrl C to copy back to our source column from the same row as our first entry, and paste special alternate HVS. We would paste values only using V, and the hotkey B for skip blanks, so it will skip whatever is blank in the third helper column. Means third one they will skip, fifth one they will skip, and the seventh row they will skip. So this few rows will maintain the original values in the destination. So hit OK, and we see all this are maintaining the destination values because they were blank in the third helper column. Alright, so after pasting our absolute values, we go back to our filtered list, alternate WC, and double click our custom view. Alright, so expenses over here, we would have to turn back this text string into our formulas. So after selecting our entries, alternate colon to select visible, Ctrl H to replace. Now we have to replace Z with nothing, alternate A, and there are 8 replacements. Okay, because there were more than one replacement in each cell, so we close it out and we see all of these are turned back into formulas. Alright, so after this, these 3 helper columns can be deleted. So hopefully this will help you manage your filtered list better without the need to use VBAs or any macros. Alright, hope to see you guys next time.